Introducing our square nose rubber stair tread with luminescence, the ultimate solution for safety and visibility on your stairs. Crafted with precision and designed for reliability, our stair tread seamlessly combines slip resistance with innovative luminescent technology to enhance safety in any environment. Our square nose rubber stair tread with luminescence provides increased safety with its slip resistant surface, ensuring stability with every step. Its advanced design also helps mask substrate irregularities, maintaining a smooth appearance on your stairs. With GSA contract availability and FloorScore certification, our stair tread meets the highest standards for quality and environmental responsibility. Plus, it comes with a 1-year commercial limited warranty for added peace of mind. In emergency situations, our stair tread lights up when stairwells become dark, providing a clear pathway to the outside. Compliant to IBC and NYC codes for emergency egress marking, it ensures safety in any building environment. Additionally, it passes smoke generation tests, making it ideal for use in various settings. Enhance safety and visibility on your stairs with our square nose rubber stair tread with luminescence, the trusted choice for reliability and performance.